like to open them?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay, you can open it now. Okay, keep at it. Keep going. Can you do it? Yeah, it's not so easy. Yeah, work at it. Okay, can you do it, Flo? You want some help, you? You don't need any help, you do you? Good. You're doing the little bits, huh? Here, thank you for the little piece. Yes, piece. Okay. Now, keep going. You want me to help? Okay. Now, here is. Now, do we want to give the first peep to Neely? Is it peep for Neely?
Yeah.
Yeah, give Neely a peep.
Thank you.
Thank you. Neely says, thank you for the peep. Now, you put it in your mouth. You can take a little bite. Here, want to see what it tastes like on your finger? Look, whoops. Oh, Mommy, can we still eat something after it's been on the floor?
Yeah.
Okay, taste the peep. What do you think? Is it good?
No.
You want more? I thought you would. Okay, you take a little more. It's on your fingers. Yeah. Can you eat the peep? Mmm. And what does the peep say? It says, peep, 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 peep.
No.
You want, well, you can finish that one. Eat that one. Peep, peep, peep. Yeah. She turns to Mommy to have her picture taken. Okay. Now, Neely says, can I have a peep? Can I have a peep? A little bit of a peep?